Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy fruits in Blox Fruits. We'll dive into the two primary methods for acquiring these valuable items. First, we'll explore the Blox Fruit Dealer, where you can purchase random fruits. Then, we'll discuss how to find fruits naturally spawning throughout the game world. Mastering these techniques will significantly boost your chances of obtaining rare and powerful abilities for your adventures. The Blox Fruit Dealer is a key source for acquiring fruits. You can buy a random fruit from him, with prices ranging from 25,000 to 1,500,000 Bali. Remember, his stock refreshes every 4 hours in real-world time, so check back often. This method offers a consistent, albeit random, way to get new abilities, making it a popular choice for many players. Another excellent way to get fruits is by finding them directly in the game world. Fruits spawn randomly on the map approximately every 60 minutes. However, they will despawn after 20 minutes if no one picks them up. Keep an eye out for a bright, glowing aura, which indicates a fruit's presence. Exploring less traveled areas can often yield surprising discoveries. To maximize your fruit hunting success, consider these tips. Server hopping is a highly effective strategy, as it allows you to check multiple maps for spawns. Utilizing observation, Hacky can help you detect fruits from a greater distance, giving you an advantage. Finally, collaborating with friends to search different areas simultaneously can significantly improve your overall efficiency and discovery rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.